All right, so here is the threshold. This is on the dining room side. And then you can see it tapers down quite a bit to the cabinet. Likewise, the carpet, the ramp is pretty level across here until we get right there. And now you can see it starts to taper down quite a bit. So it comes way down at the end. So here's a 3/4 inch board. And there's not a lot of meat on that yet. And then if we brought that out and pushed it hard into the carpet and tapered this edge, sanded it real flat and gradual, I think that would make a decent transition. And that would work all the way across there to transition to the carpet. The problem is we come down quite a bit. The other problem, obviously, is that. So while we're good there, and then we really drop down with the carpet. And that's going to be a walkway where people are coming around the corner of the kitchen peninsula, and that's going to be sticking up. We also don't have anything under that. So I guess that's part of my question is, do we use thicker stock and notch out so that the wood actually hangs down into here? So do we, I don't know, I'm not sure how to do this. Do we scab a piece onto the edge of the 3/4 inch stock, put like a 1 inch strip glued to the bottom of this that we would notch down so that as we get here, we actually had wood under it that would sit hard onto the floor. I don't know. Or, I guess I'm gonna have to bring this up. I don't know how to do this any other way other than to level this so that this edge is constant all the way across, and we can at least make that edge good. That 2x4 is the bottom plate that we put down when we redid the wall. This one, I think we can take that whole piece out. So there's no reason I can't cut out that piece of 2x4 and remove this whole one here, if that helps us shim on the bottom and then have, a solid 2x4 all the way across the top. But width-wise, this is a 5-inch piece of 3/4. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's 4 1/4 inch. So 5 1/2 hits right into the edge of the ramp. So we did a 5.5 inch piece with a little rabbet to go over the floor, the edge of the board would hit right on the edge of that ramp and make a nice transition. I just need to figure out how to get this threshold level, and then we've got to figure out this drop down here. But that's what we're dealing with.